Hi, today in front of me Nokia C32 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to give a name or rename the folder, just tap on the folder and enter the name, or just to rename by the same way, just Google folder. So if you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. And to remove application from the folder, you should hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder or from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Also, you could remove all of the applications with a folder together. Just hold the folder and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.